Okay, so what's up guys? So today I am at the Koshmal, and Koshmal is a small village, and this village has some very beautiful waterfalls. So today we are going to that awesome waterfall. So yeah, that is it. So this is my fourth vlog, so let's get started. Okay, so right now I am officially at this waterfall, and this is this is like one of the best view. So yeah, you can see that the sun is going down. Yeah, you can see the awesome lens flare, and this is the valley, what the valley looks like, and this is the main waterfall. So if you come in the monsoon, the water is so high, so you can't came from this side, so you have to go over there. So you can go there and you can actually see the from the front side. So, and this is like awesome valley. So if you want to see the if you want to go below, so you can also go by, you can go there, and yeah, via this road you can also go there, and there is the second waterfall over there. So if you want to go there, then there is the, it's not a road, but it's it's a walkway, so you can go over there, and you can take the bath. So that's it for today. So if you like this video, then please like this video, and if you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel, because more travel and just like these videos are coming soon in this channel. So yeah, that is it.